Welcome to a 15-minute guided Vipassana meditation. To start, just make sure that you're sitting comfortably, in any position that works for you. This could be sitting on a chair, or even on a cushion on the floor. It doesn't really matter, as long as your back and neck are relatively straight. Just settle into your seat. Keep your mouth gently closed, and breathe only through your nose. When you're ready, I invite you to close your eyes and bring your attention inwards. Just become aware of your breath and the fact that you are breathing. Notice what it feels like to just breathe. What does the sensation of breathing actually feel like? Now just notice where you feel the breath most easily. It might be in the rise and fall of the belly, the expansion or contraction of the ribs or the chest. It might be in the rise and fall of the shoulders. Or even in the area inside the nostrils or just below the nostrils. Just stay with the sensation of the breath at that part of the body, noticing how the sensations change with each in-breath and each out-breath. Along with this, you might even notice if the breath is long or if it's short. You might notice if it's deep or shallow. Maybe even if the breath is passing through the right nostril or the left nostril. Maybe even if it's regular or irregular. Just let the breath be exactly as it is. Completely natural. If it's long, let it be long. If it's short, let it be short. If thoughts arise, and they will, just calmly and gently bring your attention back to your breath whenever you notice your mind has wandered. Calmly breathing in, calmly breathing out. And now, just bringing your attention to the top of your head and feeling the scalp. Just noticing all the sensations that you feel on the top of the head. You might feel tingling or vibrating. You might feel heaviness or lightness. Maybe even you feel tension or pain. Whatever you feel, it doesn't matter. Just noticing it and accepting it. Slowly spreading your attention across the entire scalp, along the back, the sides, noticing the ears, the temples, the forehead, the area around the eyes, the eyes, noticing the cheeks, the nose, the lips, the chin, and the entire jaw. Just noticing what you feel. Becoming aware of the front of the neck, maybe you feel tenseness or looseness. It doesn't matter. Moving down the front of the neck to the chest, feeling whatever sensations you feel in the chest. Just keeping your attention there and accepting whatever arises in this area of the body. Awareness and acceptance. This is Vipassana. You are aware of whatever is happening in your body, and you accept every experience that you have, knowing that each experience, no matter how pleasant or unpleasant, is temporary, impermanent. Moving down through the rib cage, feeling the belly, moving out to the hands, feeling the fingertips, and the fingers, feeling the backs of the hands and the palms. Maybe you feel moisture, maybe you feel dryness. Maybe you feel warmth. Maybe you feel cold. It doesn't matter. Just accepting whatever arises. Feeling the wrists, the forearms, the elbows, the upper arms, feeling the shoulders, maybe you feel tenseness or looseness. Moving up along the sides of the neck, to the back of the neck, feeling the upper back, the middle of the back, the lower back. Feeling the entire back from the top to the bottom to the top. Moving down through the seat of the trunk, noticing any pressure, feeling the backs of the legs, the front of the legs, the thighs, the knees, feeling the calves and the shins, just noticing the ankles, the tops of the feet, and the bottom of the feet. And just noticing the toes. And now just bringing your attention to the entire body. Noticing all the sensations you feel throughout the entire body. Noticing how they change, how they're in a constant state of flux. Just breathing into the body, breathing out. And when you're ready, bringing your awareness back to the room that you're in, back to your environment. gently opening your eyes and being grateful to yourself for taking this time out to look after your mind and your body. And taking this feeling with you into the rest of your day and sharing it with everyone you meet.